I'm delighted really to welcome the coach, the captain and two other members of India's blind cricket team who are here in the NDTV studio. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us. First up, many congratulations on that win. You successfully defended that title and of course once again beat Pakistan. Now Patrick, you're the coach. It looks like you're making it a habit really of beating the arch rivals. First in 2012, now in 2017. How special was the title this time around?
Yeah, it's a very special title for two reasons. I always keep telling you this is for two reasons. Number one is that we were the defending champions, so we had a lot of pressure and a lot of expectations from the people of India that we should win this match. And secondly, because it was happening in India and it was happening in 12 cities, so the pressure of playing in the home ground was already there. So from the start itself, we knew that somewhere down the line we'll meet Pakistan in the finals. So the whole preparation was targeted towards, towards playing a final against Pakistan, and so we were completely prepared for that. And repeating that victory was a awesome feeling.
Of course, and of course 2012 is when the format changed. Before that, from 98 onwards, if I'm not wrong, it was a 50 over format, then they made it a 2020 format, and ever since then you've won both the World Cups. Let's talk to the captain now. Which one would you say was the best match of the tournament? And you can't say the final because I know you're itching to say that it was the final against Pakistan.
Obviously final. League match we played against Sri Lanka, that is also tough team. It's top 3 team. But we won one-side match in Hyderabad. After that, obviously finals tough match because that is against Pakistan, playing home crowd. Especially that is special for me as a captain, leading the team, World Cup, winning the tournament. This is special for me. I really enjoyed.
And we can see the trophy which is right here in the studio. This is the trophy, of course, that the team won. This is the official Blind T20 World Cup trophy that the team has won. We've got two other members of the team here as well. Jafar, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन को अभी तक रिकॉग्निशन मिला नहीं है गवर्नमेंट से. ये कितना बड़ा ऑब्स्टिकल है और आपको क्या लगता है क्या होने से गवर्नमेंट आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करेगी?
हाँ, देखिए हमारा कैबी जो है, क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन फॉर द ब्लाइंड इन इंडिया, विंग ऑफ समर्थनम ट्रस्ट फॉर द डिसेबल, उसने ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट को पूरा ग्रास रूट लेवल से डेवलप किया. 2010 में हमारा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन फॉर द ब्लाइंड इन इंडिया फॉर्मेशन हुआ. उसके बाद उन्होंने पूरा हमको सारा 24 स्टेट उसके साथ एफिलिएटेड हैं और सारे स्टेट में स्टेट टूर्नामेंट्स होता है. उसके बाद स्टेट टूर्नामेंट से उन लोगों का स्टेट का टीम जो होता है वो टीम जोनल्स पार्टिसिपेट करता है. जोनल से फिर जो फाइनलिस्ट होते हैं 2 टीम, वो लोग नेशनल के लिए आते हैं. ऐसे 8 टीमों को लेके नेशनल होता है. उससे 56 प्लेयर्स को चुन के उसका एक कैंप 5-6 दिन का करके उससे 30 प्लेयर चुना जाता है. 30 से फाइनल 17 टीम करके ऐसे वर्ल्ड कप को चुना जाता है. बहुत टफ प्रोसेस है. इंडियन टीम में जगह मिलने के लिए बहुत टफ है. लेकिन इतना सारा जो किया है, इसका रिजल्ट ये है कि हम लोग लगातार 2 T20 वर्ल्ड कप, एक ODI वर्ल्ड कप और एक एशिया कप जीत चुके हैं. फिर भी अभी कैबी को कोई रिकॉग्निशन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का क्रिकेट फॉर द ब्लाइंड को रिकॉग्निशन नहीं है, स्पोर्ट्स का रिकॉग्निशन नहीं है. हम क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के लिए कोई एनुअल ग्रांट भी नहीं है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से, या तो कोई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से जो एफिलिएट बॉडी है स्टेट्स में, डिफरेंट स्टेट में, उन लोगों को वो रेस्पेक्टिव स्टेट से भी कोई ग्रांट नहीं है या एफिलिएट नहीं है. तो इससे क्या होता है कि फंड जो टूर्नामेंट्स होता है उसी के टाइम में जो कुछ स्पॉन्सरशिप आता है वो भी काफी नहीं होता है. तो प्लेयर्स को काफी डिफिकल्टी में के तौर से गुजरना पड़ता है.
फंड्स की कमी है और obviously recognition is going to help because then there'll be an allocated budget for the Blind Cricket Association of India. सोनू, कैबी ने बोला है अभी कि जो 10 लाख रुपए अनाउंस किया है गवर्नमेंट ने वो टीम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी. क्या इसका ये रीजन है कि इट इज नॉट इनफ या ये रीजन है कि रिकॉग्निशन अभी तक मिला नहीं?
10 लाख बोलना सर वो हमारा इंसल्ट नहीं है, इस विक्ट्री का इंसल्ट है. और विक्ट्री का इंसल्ट मतलब आप देश का इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं. तो 10 लाख हम कैसे एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि सारा इतना बताया जाफर ने, हम लोग इतना हार्ड वर्क करते हैं और उसके बाद अगर हमें 10 लाख मिलेगा तो सभी बात है हम लेंगे ही नहीं. क्योंकि इतना हार्ड वर्क, आप दूसरा प्लेयर्स को देखते हैं, पैरा ओलंपिक ओलंपिक में आप जीतते हैं, इनको लाखों रुपया मिलता है ना. लाखों रुपया मिलने के बाद 10 लाख में हमको समझाएंगे तो हम कैसे समझेंगे?
बिल्कुल. One final question, Patrick, I want to put that to you, and that is really interesting. The background, your particular, personal background, no real cricketing background as such. You were a professor of political science, and suddenly you were asked to coach the cricket team. How did that happen?
Actually, though I'm a professor of political science, basically I'm a sports person who's represented college. I've captained my college team and all that. But then again, the blind cricket is a different ball game. You know, it's more of sort of a man management. It's managing the team. It's working with their confidence. It's inspiring the players. So it's beyond the cricket that is being played in the ground. So we do a lot of work, motivational work, and a lot of other activities which gets them into playing a mood. So that's why I think I was chosen for this job, and I've been doing it, and we have won the 3 World Cups. I suppose that's a great satisfaction. And what's important is a sad thing that they're not. I repeatedly ask myself this question, and I ask others also this question. What is the difference? Why can't the board's concerned, the government's concerned, recognize these players as as national players and give the due that they deserve? You don't have to be continuously proving and telling them that here we come again and we prove the World Cup. I think this is very sad that this is whatever state we are at right now. It has to be changed.
Well, I guess it's about time that recognition was granted to the Blind Cricket Association of India, because remember, with recognition will come the much needed money, the funds to push the cricketers and the whole game forward as well. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us here in the studio. It was an absolute pleasure having you here this evening. Thank you.